ड्रॅक ही खासा भुरग्यां खातीर सातत्यान वावुरपी संस्था आसा. ह्या संस्थेक शेनवारा 14 वर्सां पुराय जाली. ह्या भुरग्यां प्रती सामान्य मनशान दृश्टिकोन बदलपाक जाय म्हण ह्या वेळार सभापती डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत उलयला. IDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
आमी म्हणटा की सदोदीत मेन स्ट्रीमिंग ऑफ द डिसेबल्ड पीपल आणि हाजेर सगळे जण आमी काम करता. खरें म्हणजे जे लोक नॉर्मली आसा तांच्यांनी काम करपाक जाय, पण मुळात ते लोक कोण हेजेर काम करतना आमकां दिसना. ही समाजातली शोकांतिका आसा. ताजेर काम करपा खातीर तांच्याच मदले काही जण भाव फुडें आयले, जे 14 वर्सां पयलीं फुडें आयले. तांच्याच मदीं ते सगळे जण एकत्र आयले आणि तांच्यांनी आपले एसोसिएशन एस्टाब्लिश केले. आणि इयर बाय इयर जसजशे फुडें वता तसतशे ते आपल्या एसोसिएशनान डेव्हलपमेंट करीत आसा. ते एसोसिएशन डेव्हलपमेंट करता आसतना म्हाका दिसता ताका ज्यो गजाली लागता, इवन जो फायटींग विथ द गव्हर्मेंट, हांव तेन्ना म्हणटा की इट इज द मेन स्ट्रीमिंग. तेन्ना मेन स्ट्रीमिंग येता आनी वी आर द पर्सन हू कॅन डू इट. म्हाजें सदोदीत म्हणणें आसा, आमी जर हो विशय लोकां समोर हाडलो आनी लोकां समोर मेन स्ट्रीमिंग कशें करूं शकता, कारण डिसेबल्ड पर्सन हो जो बाकीच्या लोकां पासून वेगळो न्ही, तर तोय तेंच्या पैकीच एक. हो जो म्हणजे लोकांच्या मदीं न्यूनगंड आसा तांच्या मदीं पळोवपाचो किंवा तांकां पळोवपाचो, हो न्यूनगंड लोकांच्या तकलेंतल्यान वचूंक जाय. जे आमी करूं शकता, सर्वसामान्य लोक करूं शकता, ताज्याय पेक्षा बरें ते करूं शकता. तेव्हा ताका तितकी ताकद, ताका तितकी हुशारी जी आसा ती दिल्ली आसा. त्या खातीर सदोदीत सामान्य मनशांनी किंवा जनरल पब्लिकान तांच्या कडेन पळोवपाचो आपलो दृश्टिकोन बदलपाक जाय.
This is the area where media will always play a big role. Wherever you find opportunity to see that this kind of things have to be highlighted and people should be made aware that disability is not something to be condemned. It is nothing something to be, there should all these myths, superstitions associated should be removed. And that is media's part is very crucial in this because people read, people trust media.
Disability Rights Association of Goa was started 14 years back by a small group of persons with disability with the main aim of bringing persons with disability into the mainstream society. And I would say that if this group over the last 14 years has been able to achieve many things in life, in the society, make a difference to society, it is only because of the grace of God and the support we have received from each and every one of you. I thank each and every one of you and Almighty God for the support that has been given to our association over the last 14
Disability Rights Act 2016, called Rights of Persons with Disability Act, has come into force from December 2016. It has many benefits for persons with disabilities. Some of the benefits are that the number of disabilities have increased from 7 to 21 disabilities. The reservation has gone up from 3% to 4%, and the private sector has also been brought into under the new Disability Act. So now even the private businesses or enterprises or organizations will have to make their buildings accessible. They will also have to employ persons with disabilities. So this is a big game changer, I would say, for persons with disability in Goa. At present, we have about 30,000 disabled persons as per census 2011, but it is expected to go up to about 60,000 with the increase in the number of disabilities.